Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in the large shapes. Draw the eye socket, an oval iris, and a centered pupil relative to your viewpoint. Once done, add the eyelid curves and tear duct quick lines to anchor proportion. Make a single, consistent light source direction and place highlights now so you don't fight reflections later. Use a soft pencil and light pressure. Erase aggressively on the iris edge to keep it crisp. This early accuracy saves time and keeps the eye believable as you refine. Now focus on values and texture. Lay down midtones across the sclera and eyelids before committing to darkest darks. For the iris, work in radial strokes from the pupil outward to suggest fibers. Vary stroke length and pressure for natural variation. Make the lashes by drawing single curving strokes, not combed lines. Add subtle shadow under the lashes to root them into the lid. Blend sparingly with a tortillon where needed and reintroduce crisp edges afterward. To maintain contrast, finish by pushing contrast. Deepen the pupil and the crease shadow, and darken the rim of the iris so the eye reads instantly. Once done, lift tiny reflected highlights with a sharpened eraser to make wetness believable. Soften transitions with a light smudge but avoid overblending. Step back frequently to check symmetry and value balance. If highlights look flat, desaturate surrounding tones. If edges are muddy, rework with a sharp pencil. A single corrective erasure often fixes proportion or glare issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.